Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what figure possesses an infinite order of rotational symmetry? And we have given the options, whether it is square or rectangle or circle or semicircle. As we know that order of rotational symmetry of a circle is how many times circle fits onto itself during a full rotation of 360 degrees. That is, it is applicable to all the figures, as circle will always fit into its original outline regardless of how many times it rotated. Hence, circle has an infinite order of rotational symmetry. That is, from given option, circle possesses an infinite order of rotational symmetry. So our correct option is option C.